Alright, so client gave me data to work on, and this data contains 458,726 leads. Now these are important information, so I cannot open the data for you guys to see, privacy purposes, but I'm going to show you what this data, the columns, let's see how many. So yeah, these are the number of items in each of the columns. As you can see, the usernames are complete, the emails are complete. That's really good for a lead list. That's really good. For the names, 448,000 of them are in the table. Well, the thing now is we could have opened this on Excel, but opening this on Excel will take forever to load, so it's best to work on this on Python. My job is to break it down into smaller amounts, so I'm going to break them down to 10,000 pieces. That's going to be like around 45 files, so it can be run on Excel and run smoothly. Alright, so now we've seen the number of items in each column. Let's see the columns that are empty. Alright, username has no empty cells, followers count, following count, and emails have no empty cells. They are all occupied. But for the names, we have about 13,000 empty cells. For bio, we have about 44,000 empty cells, and category just like that. So now I would send this over to the client to inform the client on what the present state of the data is. But for the continuation of this video, I'm going to continue and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. So next, I am going to put this in a list.